Students, I am Nikhat Khan, your maths teacher. Student, welcome to new session. Today we are going to study percentage. You all are studying about percentage in your previous classes. So how will you define percent? Percent means per 100. How will you define percent? Percent means per 100. You all know how to find percent? Okay, if you forget it, let us revise. If I ask you to find 20% of rupees 600, then how can you find C? 20% means I tell you now, percent means per 100. 20 upon 100 into 600 rupees. This 0, 0, this 0 and this 0 is going to be cancelled. What you get? 20 into 6, that is 120 rupees. So 20% of 600 rupees is equals to 120 rupees. See one more example. 50% of rupees 1000. See 50 upon 100 into 1000. Zeros are cancelled here. 50 into 10. What you get? 500 rupees. So 50% of 1000 rupees is equals to 500 rupees. I hope student you understood how to find the percentage. Finding the percentage is very important. If anybody asks you, you get 300 marks and 500 out of 500, then how will you find your percentage? How much percentage you got? So it's a very important topic. So see it properly. Now let us go ahead. Let us know how we are expressing percentage in different form. Expressing percentage into different form. Number one, first is your conversion of percentage into fractional form. Fractional form. It means how you convert the fraction into how you convert percent into a fraction. Okay, see one example. 50%. You have to convert this 50% into fraction. See how will you convert? 50% means 50 upon 100. So the fractional form of 50% is 50 upon 100. You can also simplify it. This becomes 5 ones and 5 twos, that is equals to 1 by 2. So we can say that the fractional form of 50% is 50 by 100 or 1 by 2. See one more example. If I ask you to convert 20% into fraction, then 20% means 20 upon 100. So fractional form of 20% is 20 upon 100. If we simplified it, we get this 2 0 0 is going to be cancelled. 2 ones and 2 5s is equals to 1 by 5. We can say 20%. We can say 20% of into fractional form we can say it is 20 by 100 or 1 by 5. So I hope you understood this. I am giving one activity. Change 25% into fractional form, and second one is change 75% into fractional form. Let us go ahead. The second is conversion of percentage into ratio. You have seen how the percentage can be converted into fraction. Similarly, we can change percentage into ratio. See the example. We are going to change 50% in ratio. Thus we will see fractional form of 50% is equals to 50 upon 100, and this will be depicted as 50 ratio 100. This is a ratio sign. Okay, student. Now in the same manner you have to convert 20% in the ratio in a fractional 20% into a ratio. That is what's your answer is 20 upon 100. So it becomes 20 ratio 100. I hope you also understood this also. So I am giving you one more activity. 2. Change 80% into ratio, and second one is change 25% into ratio. Now let us go ahead. Third is your conversion of percentage into decimal. Okay. Now let us see an example. Let us see the example of 50%. You have to change this for 50% into decimal form. So what do you mean by 50% means 50 upon 100. It means 50 divided by 100. So what you get? If you divide 50 divided by 100. So what you get? 0.50. Since this is the fractional form of this is the decimal form of 50%. I hope you understood this also. Now do one more activity. That is your activity 3. Change 20% into decimal form, And the second one is change %, decimal form. I hope children, you all are trying to solve this activity. If you face any problem, I am here to solve your problem. Thank you.